Okay, so as you can see, my dog's having a look around. I've got a toolbox because I need to keep my tools together, and I can't do jobs and get on with the Joker without it. So what I've done, I've bought, let me show you the front if we can. It's a Halfords box. I bought the 3-piece, so I thought I'd show you how to undo it, and you can see what it's like. It says a 5-drawer cabinet, this is. 2 people to carry it. Oh, I carry it on my own because it's only me here. Open the base of the box and bend 4 flaps. These can be taped in place for ease with polystyrene still in place. Carefully rotate the box onto its back and then upright. Lift the cardboard box directly upwards. So same do it the other way. Oh, well, we'll have a look in here anyway. So, plenty of packaging. As I say, plenty of packaging. And the box is in here. And like they said, we've got to undo the other side first. So, that's the first mistake. Why I can't push out the bottom, I don't know. Let's see. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see this. So anyway, I'm putting that one round there. Pull the base out like it says. Oh, the base snapped. Oh. So yeah, now I'm going to have to lift this. I'm hoping. And tap. That one underneath. Like that. And then with any luck, you can tip this back over. Oh, what a palaver. Like so. And then lift it up and reveal. So as I said, plenty of packing, which is good. This is the worst part because it's the bottom. So, oh, there we go. So, I like the packaging and that because it's really good. And there we go. Should have slid on the floor really, but there you go. Got a nice foam part on the top for your next box. Okay, so there's that bit. Let's have a look. Have a read. Cast assembly drawer, dimensions, maintenance. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so as I say, there's that box. Now, I couldn't find the keys. Keys are actually still in here, look. So, they're actually in there. It don't tell you that. It says unlock the box. Yeah, with what? So, there you go. So that's that bit. As I say, unlock the box. There we go. See, the drawers have got like felt in them. It says it did, which is good. And there's your handle, and your wheels are in the bottom. So There we go. Let's just get that out of there. There we go. And every drawer has a piece of like felt. It seems sturdy. The drawers open nicely. So what we'll do now is we'll open the box. Open the box. Come on down and see what's in here. Obviously casters. And how will they fit? This box. Yeah. What I said. Yeah. Okay, so I probably sat the wrong side because you can't see so much, but let's go around this side. Okay. Right. So straight bolts. Yeah, they're all bolts, so it must be threaded on the base. Got locks, wheel locks on 2 of them. Yeah, on 2. Seem quite sturdy. Obviously the handle is going to have bolts in it, I would have thought. Oh yeah, it's got little bolts in that one for the handle. So what we'll do is we'll go and get a socket and then we'll have a look at putting the casters on. So that's the next thing, putting the casters on. Okay, so yeah, I got the socket, and I'll say there's the bolts there. So it can only go on one way because of the way it fits. So let's have a look. So obviously it's 4 in each. They're not bad actually. I got it in a sale, so I saved a couple of £100, which was good. So let's have a look. There we go. Easy to line up, easy. So far, so good. As I say, trying to do jobs and get the Joker up together. Obviously, some of you don't know what the Joker is probably, but it's my car. There will be a picture of it on the front of this video. But yeah, so I keep struggling having to find tools, and you know what it's like, and the tools are everywhere, and you know, I know where they are, but they're just not in where they should be. So it doesn't sort of say, well, I say it doesn't say, I was going to say don't tell you where to put the wheels, but having said that, I'm doing that again where a man thing where you don't read the instructions. No, I'm right. And as it happens, it shows you on the picture the 2 wheels with no brake at the handle end and the 2 with brakes the other end. So I even got that in the right place. I don't think it makes a lot of difference as long as you've got the brake on. The only thing I would say is because the brake on the brake one, it's a slight angle, but it doesn't make no difference because they swivel, so it doesn't make no difference at all. Now brake on, brake off, nice and easy to move. So there go at the front end. So yeah, it's all good, all good. So yeah, it doesn't matter how you put this on at this end because it swivels anyway. So obviously this is a steering wheel as well as the brake. Look at this bit. It's going to be so nice to have all my tools in one place. Oh dear. Butterfingers. It really will. So, yeah. There we go. Well, that goes in there, that goes in there, like so, and then one at the bottom. And then all you got to do is copy it again. Be a bit daft as you put one. I was just looking at this. It'd be a bit silly if I put one up one end and one up the other of the bikes, because I don't think it would turn very easy. But here we go. So far so good. I'm the cat going mad. Showing the 45 minutes. 2 more of these. Okay, so I'm going to get on with this. As I said, it's the same as the top. There's no point showing you over and over again, so we'll do that and I'll clean with it. Right, there it is on the wheels. I just had a look. You've got 2 spaces here, holes for the handle, and 2 up that end. So you've actually got a choice of what side you put the handle. I'm guessing it's so if you want to put it up against the wall, so you can have the handle the opposite side or what, I don't know. But I'm going to put it on the steering end, and if I decide to change, I will. It's only 4 bolts, so I'll actually decide where it's going, or I'll then decide what side I want the handle. It'll probably stay on this end. I can't see a problem with it being this end, but as I said, if I change my mind, you know, it's easy. There's a socket for that. So yeah, there's your handle. No particular way up because it just goes on, so we'll put that on there like that, and one on that end. So yeah, it seems very sturdy. Oh yeah, it's a lot cheaper than a lot cheaper than a Snap-on box or something like that, but then you know, I don't want to spend 10 grand on a toolbox, and how people spend that sort of money, I don't know. But if they've got nothing else, I suppose, you know, that's what you do, isn't it? It's whatever. I mean, it's great. I wish I could afford a box like that. Attention: to avoid tipping, open one drawer at a time. Close all drawers when moving. Oh yeah. I think it might be a bit silly because you... Oh, here we go again. Okay, so we'll do it like this then, by hand. So there. And one in there. Right, one cat's just gone. You probably could seen it then walking around. And everyone wants to come in. Hello Nala, you come in. Come on. And there's Nala. And there's Simba. He can't make up what he wants. He's been in and out, in and out, in and out. So yeah, it's looking good so far. Got it in black. They do one in silver as well, but I do like this, and they do another one in red, but I like the black. I'm wanting to get a decent box for a long time. So yeah, there's that bit. So yeah, as I said, you know, these are nice foam top. Still got the edging on top there. Right, so now we're going to go to the centre box. I'm going to put this down here. What's it say? With 2 people, carefully to 2 people. Oh dear, it's only me. So it's going to have to be 1 person. I'm going to use a key. So he's getting the knife. There's me. So, there. It says, which I didn't think about, it does say you can tape the box sides back. So in other words, take these down there. If you can see, I'm hoping you can see that. So tape them down like that. But we're not. We're doing it like this. Right, and there's your next box. So, what I need to do is just find the button. Where are we? There. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring you up a bit, like that. And then we'll get this box and put it on there, which goes there. Now, obviously, well, there you go. So that's 2 parts. And then you've got another key, or a couple of keys. I'm guessing their key cuts are different. I mean, this is off the bottom box. Yeah, they are, so that's good. And then you got that one, and another 3 doors. Oh, that one's curled up a bit for some reason. Oh, I see, it caught on the key, silly me. So yeah, so the foam's in there the same as the bottoms. Nice and easy to open and close. Got that one up again for now. Right. Oh, I see. I think it's because I haven't. Oh, I see. They're not closed. Alright. Then they're locked. So I haven't had them pushed in far enough. Then one's going to be the same. So that's a good thing. Okay. So then I'm going to move this over that way. Oh look, it's nearly as tall as me now. And then we've got the top box. So that'll be the same again. 2 people. It is a bit heavier, this one. But obviously, as I said, I'm on my own, so I can't really have 2 people. I'm on my own today. Finish work, come home, pick this up, come home, and then I thought, right, which is a good thing because the only trouble is the way things are at the moment. I stood in the queue for 35 minutes just to get in, but you know, that's how it's for you, and everyone else comes to that. Okay, so same thing again, nice bit of packing. Oh, stick it there, mate. All my hair got up. I'm pulling this bit off because I noticed on the bottom box when you turned it upside down, you couldn't. The plastic went underneath, so you can get this bit off. Okay, now this is going to be a palaver because I've got to turn this over, get this out, and I've got to get up on the top box. So let's have a look how this goes. Okay, and there's your top box. Right, so that's the top box. I'm going to stick that on top there. It's got right. So I don't know quite what's going on here. I'm going to walk in front. Have a look. Okay, so yeah, there's your boxes. That's not fitting on there properly. Let me just have a look. Okay. Yeah, so there it is. All done. It was a good set. Really pleased. Really pleased. So I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe. As I said, there's some more keys to go in there, which are on the top. Brilliant. Really pleased with that. Thank you for watching. As I said, if you did like it, please like and subscribe. Talk to you again soon.